So, like I told you guys, the other day I made a video. So it's not a video. I posted some things. I said that there are some things that those people carried. I posted both the blender and all those stuff. So somebody messaged me and said that he's going to take care of one of those things. That um, he's going to send me something. Anyways, I didn't know. I didn't. So not until yesterday, I got a call. I had to go and pick this up. It's a blender. It's 3 liters. It's a Kenwood blender. Come. Oh, this is the box. This is good. That my other blender, this thing is very heavy. The motor, the engine is very heavy. You can't even carry it like this. Very, very heavy. See, it has head braking wall extraction. I showed you about medium speed and all that. This place is something else. They'll just bring like under few seconds, few minutes, they are taking it. It's something else. I wonder I'm going to survive it. They just took the lights, so we're not on it. So this is it. The blender. It's 3 liters. I pray this blender, pray that it lasts. I just pray God, I beg, let it last because of it's 8,000. Let me show you. Oops. It says UK standard, multi-function, 8,200 RPM, stepless speed regulation, stainless steel cutting blade, crushes ice in seconds. 3,000 megawatt, that is 3 liters capacity. Polycarbonate jar, great for blending coffee beans and spices. Overcurrent temperature protection system. Rated capacity 3 liters, rated power 8,000 watts, rated voltage 220 volt 50 hertz. So that's the unboxing we have video. And this one is for the dry milk. I'll not show you, sorry. This is the small one for the dry milk. And this is the turning handle. Thank you.